A homework grid is a nice way to allow students to gain some control over the questions they choose to answer for homework. In this ratio and proportion grid, we test some of the key skills required in ratio and proportion at Key Stage 3. And this question in particular is one of the newest style questions to the syllabus. So let's have a look at one method that students might choose to answer this question. We're given that Ben and Christo share the sweets in the ratio of 4:7, but that Ben also receives 24 fewer sweets than Christo. Our job is going to be to work out what one part of this ratio represents. Since Ben receives fewer sweets than Christo, let's begin by working out what this looks like in terms of the parts of the ratio. Ben receives 4 parts and Christo 7. So the difference between these parts is 3. So Ben receives 3 fewer parts than Christo. We can therefore say that 3 parts must represent 24 sweets. And so to work out the number of sweets represented by one part, we're going to divide through by 3. Well, 24 divided by 3 is 8, and so one part must represent 8 sweets. Since Christo receives 7 parts, we're now going to multiply by 7. 8 times 7 is 56, and so 7 parts must be equivalent to 56 sweets. And we can therefore say that Christo receives 56 sweets.